my, oh my. So I've been playing with like GitHub Copilot for the last week or so, and man, I'm blown away, man. This is crazy. Let me walk you through a quick use case. I am building a storybook for this UI, and I'm targeting right now what I call the panel header that has like a header and a subtitle. Okay, so I have set up my storybook here that follows like the colors, whatever, the same color scheme. And I want to add the panel header here. In my code, I have this panel header and basically simple CSS. I have the panel header props, and this is going to be the UI. If it does have a subtitle, it will render it as an H3. And if it has like, so that is the basic thing here. But now I'm going to actually write the story here in the panel header story. And you can see that I have Copilot activated here. And I was expecting a lot from like my regular JS files and everything else, but in writing a story, I'm like, okay, I have to write a story. It's not like I'm writing like, I don't know, man. I was not expecting that much from Copilot. I'm just writing, a component story. But if you think about it, at the end of the day, it's code, it's JS, it's HTML. But look at the intuitiveness that it's creating right away. So I'm going to go and import. And if you want, I can even put them side by side, actually. Let me put it on the right here so I know what I'm importing. So I'm going to import the panel header props and create panel header. So panel header props. Okay. And autocomplete here. And it's going to come from panel header. Okay. Nothing impressive yet. Before doing that, let me import the story and meta. And I'm using storybook HTML, so not from. And add storybook HTML. Okay, I have what I need now to start writing my panel header user story or component. And I'm going to do an export default here. Okay. All right. So now you're seeing that Copilot is starting to do some suggestion. And I do this, and then it gives me a title already. So the title is going to be what I'm going to use for what's going to be displayed in my storybook. So let's take that, but I don't want to do, I'm going to do something called atomic elements. It's not yet a component for me. I'm just going to call it an atomic element. Okay. So that's that. Do I need anything else? Probably not. I'm just going to do this, and yeah, that should be good. Now I have that, and I'm going to start a template. That's the one that is going to be, okay, so look at this already. The template is already guessing that I'm going to have a story that is going to have a type of panel header props that I'm going to use like this arc that are going to be the panel header props. And I mean, come on now. I mean, this is crazy. This is nuts. All right, so that's going to be my template. That is going to be a story that is going to expect this. And the arguments that we're going to pass are already typed the right way. And it's already calling my create panel header from here with the arcs that I'm going to pass. But it's not done. Now I want to have two states of like the header. One, when you have a subtitle. Let's go back to Zeppelin here. So I have one case where I have the header and a subtitle. And I have another case like right here where I have the header, no subtitle. So I want to have these two states or like represented here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an export, and this one I'm going to call it a constant. Yeah, so if you do something like it will do the full meta, but I want to do something like without subtitle. Okay, so it's telling me with title and subtitle. I want something without, and you see already without subtitle. I mean, it's looking at basically here I have subtitle and title. It's intuitive enough when I start putting this. I'm in the storybook context and I'm putting like two different state of my component or like of my header. And it's already giving me the right, it's intuitive enough to know that this is what I might need. Okay, I don't know if you got, I mean, okay, let's just start there. Okay, now I say without subtitle, and then let's go with the arguments. This is crazy. So without subtitles, and for the args, and you see it's suggesting me something right there, and it's gonna give me the title. And since I say without subtitle, if it is smart enough, it should not suggest me a subtitle. Let's see if it's gonna be smart enough. Oh, you see, it's not suggesting me anything else. This is crazy. So I think the one that had no subtitle was pie header. I mean, yeah, let's see the pie chart. And let's do a second one. Why is it complaining? Title is missing. Without subtitle. Oh, come on, man. Catch up. You have it right here. Oh. Okay, so that's the case right here. So it gave me the wrong case. Okay, so that should be story, I believe. And it should be a panel header props. That should take care of it. Hey, Copilot, you did not catch that one. You see, Copilot themselves, they say they are about 53% to 60% correct. But that's damn amazing still. So it's not going to magically like make good code for you. You have to be careful, all right? And here we forgot something, and that's why it's not coming. I think we need to put as meta in here. There you go. Now it's clean. Now let's go and put our second state or our second use case in this example, and we're gonna export a constant. But look, it already knows that I want another one with subtitle. I mean, come on, man. You literally reading my mind right now, man. You are damn scary, man. AI is scary. Copilot, man. I mean, this is something else. I tested another one a few days ago, but man, I'm not gonna go into this one against that one. I have each of them like on my computers, one with Copilot, one with the other, and I'm loving it, man. This is mind blowing. Like it totally knew that I wanted to get one with subtitle, or it guessed right. I don't know, man. So let's go with subtitle. Yes. And of course I want the args. And this time it should give me a title suggestion and a subtitle suggestion. Okay, Copilot, can you do it? So the title, okay, well, I already have a pie chart, so I'm gonna call it like recent emails. I think that's what it was in the Zeppelin design. Well, designer love for you to make sure that you do exactly what they tell you to do, okay? And man, it gives me a subtitle suggestion. Are you kidding me? So, okay, subtitle here. What was the subtitle for the Lorem Ipsum dollar seed Amet? Man, I have seen this so many times that I think I know it by heart now. Lorem Ipsum dollar seed Amet. Okay, all right. And boom, man, I have created my stories with a few keystrokes, and with the help of Copilot, I think I have a valid story right now. Let's save this. Let's go back to our storybook, and then we have atomic elements here. I have my headers and the panel header, And then see here, I have the pie chart without subtitle, and then the second one with subtitle. I mean, come on, man. So you want to find out more about coding with Copilot? Check out some of my other posts. We're gonna do a full live, next week. I see you there, man. I'm just mind blown right now. I don't even have the words right now. So just check out my post and make sure you don't miss that session. We're gonna go live. I'm gonna show you like all the findings that I had so far. Come with your questions. We're gonna test some scenarios, and we're just gonna have. I mean, I think this thing is just bringing back the fun in coding, man. It's just amazing. I'll see you soon, man. You take care now. Oh my, this is too much, man. I cannot handle this anymore.